Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Need a fresh look for your website? Learn how to change your Wix template in just few steps and give your website a brand new appearance without starting from scratch. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, when it comes to Wix and creating websites, editing is the most crucial part because you come with a template, you work on it, you get the results, you share the website, but then from time to time you will have to update it. You can't just keep the same template forever. So in this case, how can we change the template that we already have here in Wix? Well, this is pretty easy stuff. It's a pretty easy step. For the thing itself, I mean, there is two ways. Either to do it like the manual method, which is basically by clicking on every section on your site. For example, this one, I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna just delete it. Click on this one again, delete, until there is nothing on the page. This is one of the methods. It will clean up the page, and you can just simply add design section, choose here blank section, and basically you can here have another section like blank and start working on it by adding blocks. Now this is for the page itself. There is sometimes like the need to not change the whole template but to change a specific section of the site. So you can here add a design section which comes with a pre-made template. As you can see here, there is several templates that you can choose from. So here, gallery, for example, there is a bunch of options. There is team, contact, features, promotion, business info, services, subscribe, testimonials, clients, and more. So with all of these things gathered together, you can literally change sections in your sites with other templates sections. So you can swap between them or just simply change the design. But in fact, in this video, we are going to talk also about changing like the whole page template, like changing it all from scratch. So for that reason, I'm gonna answer it for you in this video. So let's start by the first thing that you have to do. So here, as you can see, the first step is to choose your new template. So get started by selecting a new template from the huge range of professional design template. There are a variety of options and categories available, including portfolio sites, etc. So you can view editor templates here and basically choose one of these templates. So you can go to the site wix.com/website/templates, and basically you can get straight into one of these and start by editing it. So this is very easy, guys. You just have to go to this website, choose the template. Here there are some filters that can help you to manage to choose specifically template that can be matching your business somehow. You can even like have more details, creative, community, blog, and like this bunch of things that you can choose from here. And you can sort here by recommended, newest, and top templates, and choose one of them and use it and edit it. So this is very easy, guys. This is like the easiest thing that you can do in Wix, which is changing the template. So once you click on edit, just make sure that your website, like the previous version of your website, is saved. Make sure to save it. Always save your website. You will have it in here in the site history. You will have it as a backup. So you will, even though if you changed your template and let's say there was bad results or bad income from this change, you will be having basically your backup to get it recovered and basically keep working on the templates. So this is something that you should do. Keep having backups inside of your website to make that everything is well secured and well preserved. And then simply just click on edit one of these, and as you can see, it will take me directly to the edit templates. I didn't create a new site, I didn't do anything. Simply just went to this website, and basically here I am. So let's wait a little bit until it loads, and now they are preparing the site, and here it is. It is everything that you need. This is like literally everything that you will need. Like everything is here in front of you. And yeah, now just keep editing it and publish the site again, and there you go. And that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just make sure that you followed my tutorial step by step. Also, do not forget that in case you want to just simply change a specific section, do not just go ahead and, I don't know, try to do something weird. Just simply click remove on that section, add new section, for example like that, as I showed you at the beginning, and choose one of these. They are all pre-made templates for you. You can use them for free. Just put them and use them. And that was it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.